ओम गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। ध्यानमूलं गुरुमूर्तिः पूजामूलं गुरुपदं मंत्रमूलं गुरुर्वाक्यं मोक्षमूलं गुरुकृपः। सद्गुरु भगवान की जय। स्वामी जी महाराज की जय। शुभोहम। Now I am starting the Guru prayers for the persons they do not know Hindi. So I want to say that this Guru is the more and more respected and precious, even more than God, because only Guru can enlighten you and make you able to see your inner God. Guru make you the divine, and you can have your divine eye to see the spiritual truth, the ultimate truth, which when you see that truth, you will never born and never die. You will become an immortal person. So we are starting. Before starting the Guru Gita, we are starting the prayer of Sadguru. Om Namo Gurubhyo Guru Padukabhyo Namaha Parebhya Parupadakabhya आचार्य सिद्धेश्वर पादुकाभ्य नमो नमः श्री गुरु पादुकाभ्य. The meaning is that Om. Om means that God is in me, that God is in me. It means the Om. And Namo, it means I am bowing, I am just giving respect. Guru Bhyo, to the my master. Guru Padika Bhyo, my master's feet, footwear. That in India, that is the tradition. Master bear the Paduka. Paduka means the wooden footwear. So, disciple paying his respect to the master's footwear. In India, the master's footwear is the most respectful and most honorable thing. You know the Rama, the Bharata was the younger brother of Rama, and he came in the Chitrakuta and took the footwear of Rama and go to Ayodhya, and he always worshipped that footwear when Rama come after 14 year Banvasa. Acharya Siddheshwara Padukabhya. It means Guru, Master is my Acharya, my great teacher, and the Master is my Siddha. It means all giver, anything I want, Master will give me surely. So I respecting my Master's footwear, my Master's feet. Enkara Hinkara Rahasya Yuktaha. In the mythology of India, these are the secret Bija mantras, the seed mantra of Ankar and Hinkar and Sri. Sri means all the treasure of the world. Ankar, it means the power of the world. Hinkar, it means the all the destructive, constructive, real, and every re-established power. Any power of Ankar, Hinkar, Sinkar. Yukta means with. ऐंकार हींकार रहस्य युक्तः श्रीकार गूढ़ार्थ महाविमू विभूत्या ओंकार मर्म प्रतिपादनीभ्यां नमो नमः श्री गुरुपादुकाभ्याम. It means the Sadguru, our master, is all the source, is all the master, is all the source of Vagbij Ankar, Ankar, and all the nature's controlling point is called Hinkar. All the power in hand of the master and Shodashi and 16 secret mantras, Srinkar and etc. and others, all the treasure of the God Almighty, all the secret of the God's nature, they are all containing in my master's feet. So I am bowing in the master's feet. Hotragni, Hotragni, Vishyahotra, Homadi Sarvakrati Bhasamanam, Yad Brahma Taddodavitarini Vyam, Namo Namah Sri Gurupadakabhyam. Hotra and Hotra, two types of the fires be inlaid in the yajna, and all the yajna material, all the result and the grace after yajna, all can be given by the master's feet prayer. Master's feet are so powerful. कामादि सर्प वज्र गारुणाभ्याम विवेक वैराग्य निधि प्रदाभ्याम बोध प्रदाभ्याम द्रुत मोक्षदाभ्याम नमो नमः श्री गुरु पादुकाभ्याम. Kamadi, it means the sexual hungers and the desires of this desires of this unstable and mortal world. When the grace of the masters come in the disciples, the sex, the anger, the greediness, all evil things disappear forever. All evil things never stay in the disciples' heart, and disciples become the free from all these poisons of the life. Nothing poisons, nothing negativity will remain in disciple if he is a very nice devotee of Guru Master's feet. And the Vivek means the right decision power and right choice power. And the internal knowledge of existence, and never desire of the world's any precious thing that comes by the grace of Master's feet. Directly or indirectly, the Master's grace and teachings give you the self-realization, the ultimate knowledge of liberation, and you will become immortal soul. That is all the grace of Master's feet. So I am bowing, I am respecting, I am paying respect to my Master's feet. संसार सागर समुद्र तारः नौकायिताभ्याम स्थिर भक्तिदाभ्याम जाड्यांसि संशोषण वाड़वाभ्याम नमो नमः श्री गुरुपादुकाभ्याम. This is the ocean of the world, this is the ocean of the pain, this is the ocean of the sorrow, this is unstopped journey of death and worth. The master's devotion, the master's to the love to the master, that the being a real disciple of the master, only that is the boat, only that is the boat, that is the ship. You can cross this ocean of the sorrow, ocean of the pain. So the non-stop divine love in the feet of master comes by the grace of master. You will never idle, you will never daisy, you will never blind, you will never live in the mesmerism of the Maya. So the grace of feet of the master is so great. Disciple says, I want to respect, I want to bow, I want to put my head in my master's feet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. It was the Guru Padaka Panchakam. Now we are starting the Guru Gita. ओम अस्य श्री गुरु गीता स्तोत मंत्रस्य भगवान सदाशिव ऋषि नानाविधानि छंदासि गुरु परमात्मा देवतः हम बीजम सह शक्ति क्रोम कीलकम गुरु प्रसाद सिद्धार्थे जपे विनय योगः. This is the pattern of any strota in India. There is start by the Om. Om Asya, it means this is Guru Gita Strota mantra. The Rishi of this mantra is God, Lord Shiva, and different type the stanzas, and the God of this mantra is Bhagavan Paramatma. It means Satchidananda, and it means the seed of this mantra, this Guru Gita. Saha, it means the power of the Guru Gita. Kram, it means the lock of his Guru Gita, and it will be give you the result only by the happiness of your Guru. If your Guru is happy with you, then the Guru Gita will give you the positive result. Otherwise, no result. If your master is not happy with you, no result about the Guru Gita will you get. So, Guru Prasad Jape Vinyoga. So the Guru Gita is chant for be pleased your master. Atha Dhyanam, it is also traditional. When we start any strota, we should some meditation. Meditation, it means we image in our brain the Guru, about your Guru. हंसाभ्याम परिवृत्त वृत्त कमले दिव्ये जगत कारणेर विश्वोत्कीर्ण मनेन देह निलये स्वच्छंद मातमेच्छयः. We are imagining that our Guru is sitting on a lotus flower, and lotus flower is putting on a swan, and there is two petals on these flowers, aham or saha. To the omnipresence divine lotus, that these two petals of the flower of lotus is basic structure of all the universes, and different type of bodies, the power of God live there in the form of life. Tadhotam padashambhavam tu charnam deepankur grahinam pratyakshara vigraha gurupadam dhyaye dibhum shashvatam mam chaturvid purushartha siddhartha jape vinayogaha. Thus, the Lord Shiva says for the Guru Gita, the Param Shiva, the stage and the status of Param Shiva, that is automatic, enlightened, automatic, that is Brahma Jyoti, and automatic, their feet is like the lotus flower. This is the lotus flower, the feet of Lord Shiva, and the like a lamp flame presence in every person and every living being's heart, and that is the Niranjan without the Maya. That is the direct presence in everyone's heart, and that is the speechless, and every speech comes from this power, and every alphabet is come from this power. In any language, every language alphabets come from this power, and that is the omnipresence, and that is the very micro, and that is the all-time pleasure, and that is the free from all boundaries and foundations, and that is the pleasure of masters. That is the pleasure of masters form, and so this type you should be meditate on your master. Or why we are meditating on the master's feet or master's presence? We want everything, we want four things in our life. We want the treasure to live our life. We want the desires for our body and the society and our family. We want the liberation from this illusion. So there is the four Purushartha: Artha, Dharma, Kama and Moksha. Now, Suta Uvacha. Suta is the great rishi. He made many divine books in Hindu mythology. Suta Uvacha. What say the Suta? Suta say, Kailas Sikhare Rambe Bhakti Sandhana Nayakam Pranamya Parvati Bhaktya Sankanam Parya Prakshate. In the mountain of the Kailash mountain, now that mountain in the China, near the Tibet, there we faith the Lord Shiva is living in the Kailasha. Kailasha Shikhare Ramme. It means the very beautiful, the peak of the Kailasha. There is a very beautiful nature. There is sitting Lord Shiva and sitting Mother Parvati. When Mother Parvati asking to the Lord Shiva, Mother Parvati putting his head in the feet of Lord Shiva and asking for the welfare, for the divine love of this spiritual knowledge, asking, my dear, my respected master, please say about me, about Guru. So, Sri Devyuvachaha Om Namo Deva Devesha Paratpara Jagat Guru Sadashiva Mahadeva Guru Diksha Pradehi Me. Mother Parvati says to Lord Shiva, my Lord Shiva, you are the God of gods. You are the supreme master of the world. I want respect you, I want to bow you, I want to put my hand in your feet. Oh my master, oh my loving master, oh my greatest master, oh my greatest master, Mahadeva, the greatest God of the world. I am asking the Guru Diksha, please accept me as a disciple, please accept me as a disciple. So, Mother Parvati, asking the Guru Diksha, asking to be the disciple of the Lord Shiva. You know, she is the wife of Lord Shiva, but she wants to be disciple. केन मार्गेण भो स्वामिन् देहि ब्रह्ममयो भवेत् त्वं कृपा कुरु मे स्वामिन् नमामि चरणो तव. My master, what is the way when this blind and this hell-like life living jiva become the Brahma? How can he free and how can he liberate from this all illusion of the Maya? What is the real path? What is the real method? What is the real support? Please, be graceful on me and say about it. I am again and again respecting in your feet. So the Lord Shiva start to talking with Mother Parvati. Mama rupansi devi tvam tvaprisa vadamyaham lokapakarakah prashno nakena pikrata puraha. O Goddess, you are asking the great question for welfare for all persons of the world. So you are Mama Rupansi, you are the same to me. Your existence and my existence is same. So this question never ask anyone. Now you are asking, so I am giving you the answer. This answer is the great precious welfaring force and power to all person in this world to come out from illusion of the Maya. For come out the illusion of the Maya. So, Durlabam Tishu Lokeshu Tachunba Vadamaham Guru Bina Brahmana Nyata Satyam Varananehe. O Parvati, O beautiful Parvati, in the three lokas, earth, heaven, and other supreme loka, three lokas, it is very rare and rarest truth. Nobody knows this truth. Even you become goddess or god, you cannot achieve this truth without master. So, I am telling you, my dear Parvati, the master and Brahma is the same thing. They are not twos. They are same. Guru Gita is starting from these great teachings. If you are seeing different, the master and Brahma different, that you are a great fool. The master and the God and the existence and the Brahma, they are all same thing. Your master is your existence. Your master is your God. Your master is your Brahma. I am not telling, this is Guru Gita telling. Veda Shastra Puranani Ithihasani Kanicha Veda Shastra Puranani Ithihasadi cha Mantra Yantra Dividhyasya Guru Ruchatanadikam. Veda, Shastra, Purana and history volumes all saying mantra, tantra and the vidya and the memories and the tantra's dark activities all and all the knowledge, any knowledge of any part, any type of all the spirituality and divinity and Shiv, Shakt, Agam. These are the branches of the mythology in Indian mythology. Different type of groups, divine groups, all are, they make doubts, they make deviation, they make illusions in the mind of a person. Nothing is admirable. It is saying only one thing is admirable, that is your master's teaching. Master want become you a free soul, and Master want give you the liberation from all bondage and bounds. Master wants transformate you into the God. The next stanza is Shaiva Shakta Magadinah Anyani Vividhani Cha Apabranshkaraniya Jivanam Branta Chetasam. The Lord Shiva is saying to the Parvati, if you are not respecting your master, if you are not knowing the greatness of your master, if you do not know the secret of master's heart, so if you do anything, you are only fool. If you are doing yajna, you are doing the fast, you are doing the chanting, you are doing the tapa, you are doing the donations, you are doing the going in the pilgrims, anything you are doing, nothing will be result. Nothing will be result. All result will be zero. If you do not know about your master's real heart. Gurur buddhi atmano nanya satyam satyam na sansaya tallavartham priyatnastu kartabyo hi manishibhi. The self-realization and Atma Jnana, the existence, knowledge of the existence, it is not different from Guru. Guru is all that same. The Atma Jnana is Guru. The self-realization is your Guru, your master, and everything is your master. Nothing precious more than master. It is truth, it is truth, it is truth. 3 times Lord Shiva says, there is no doubt, there is no doubt. Master is your knowledge, master is your Atma, master is your existence, master is your supreme God. So, the intelligent person, who make pleasant the master, who that the master pleased on him, that is the great achievement of the disciple. If the master is present, all things will be easy for you. Gudha vidya jagan maya देहे च ज्ञान संभवः उदयो यत् प्रकाशेन गुरु शब्देन कथ्यते. Good vidya, it means it is the very, very secret knowledge. It is very secret vidya. Vidya in India says it is the last secret of the world, that is called Vidya. Vidya means that divine discipline. Good, good Vidya, Jagat mein Mayaru. That is This secret is hidden in this world by the blindness of ajnana, illusion. Ajnana is called the blindness of illusion. If this secret will be awake, then the true knowledge will come. The true knowledge will come like a sun arise. So that true knowledge, that sun arise, that is the light of the God, that is your master. That is your master. Sarva papa vishuddhatma Sri Guru Pad Sevanat Dehi Brahma Bhave Dhasmat Kriparth Badami Tehe. By the touching of the feet of your master, by the service of master, all sins will be destroyed. You will become pure soul. And ultimately you will become and transformed in the Brahma. So, my dear Parvati, that truth I am telling to you. That truth I am telling to you, my Parvati. Guru Padambujam Smritva Jalam Sirasi Dharayet Sarva Tirtha Vagahasya Samprapnoti Phalam Naraha. If you put on your head the water washing after remaining the Guru's feet, that you have all the fruits, all the good things about all the pilgrimage of the world. Shoshanam papa pankasya deepanam jnana tejasam Guru padodakam samyak sansara navatarakam. All sin will be destroyed by master's feet water, and all knowledge will be brightly come, and all the world's darkness will be go by the master's feet washing water, and that is we called Charnamrita. Be called Charnamrita. Remember this word Charnamrita. Ajnana Mula Haranam Janma Karma Nivaranam Jnana Vijnana Siddhartham Guru Padodakam Pive. That is the Charnamrita, that is the Guru, a master's feet showering water. When you wash your master's feet and that water remain, that is called Charnamrita. This is very precious, because all the darkness root will be destroyed when you take the water in your mouth, and the death and birth will be eradicated. Never you born and never you die, and the supreme knowledge and desireless position you will be successfully get. Guru padodakam pitva guru uchishta bhojanam Guru murte sada dhyanam Guru mantram sada japet. Lord Shiva says, you must drink the holy water of master's feet, and you must eat the remaining food after master, the prasadam, and you must meditate on your master's existing body and existing form. You must meditate on master, and if master give you any mantra or any method, you should follow in your life. Kashi Kshetram Tannivaso Jannavi Charnodakam Guru Vishweshwara Sakshat Tarakam Brahma Nishitam. Where is Guru is living? That is the place called Varanasi, Kasi. In the Hindu mythology, people say the Shiva is the king of Varanasi. Wherever Guru living, if I come in Brisbane, if I come in Australia, if I come in France, Netherlands, anywhere I will go there, that place will become Kashi, and Kashi Vishwanath temple where the master is living. And the feet, holy water is like Ganga. I am very, I think some persons they go to river Ganga, they must go to feet of his masters. The master's feet is the extract of all holy rivers. Guru Vishweswara Sakshat, Lord Shiva says, the master is directly present in front of you. Me, Lord Shiva, I am in the form of your master. Sakshat Tarakam Brahma Nishitam. And never doubt your master will cross this all illusion and you will be reach in the stage of ultimate truth. Guru Padodakam Yattu Gayaso Akshayo Vrataha Tithraja Prayagasya Guru Murte Namo Namaha. Again and again I am going to my master because the Guru's feet is most precious than Gaya. Gaya is the holy place of Hindus. And so Akshayobrata, and that is the Akshayobhata, it means the tree of Banyan. That is the divine tree. When you sit in under that tree and do the meditation, 1,00,000,000 times result will become. So, Tirtha Raja Prayaga. Prayaga is Ganga, Yamuna and Saraswati joint Sangam. That is the very precious place for Hindus. So Lord Shiva says, all these in presence in the feet of your master. Guru Murti Smare Nityam Guru Nama Sada Japet Guru Ragya Prakirvita Guru Ranyatra Bhavayeta. You always remain in your heart, you always memory, you always take in your heart your master's memory, your master's face. Guru Nama Sada Japedam, and always do as your masters instruct you. Guru Ragya Prakirvita Guru Nanetya Bhavayeta. And the order of the Guru is the ultimate order for you. Never disobey Guru's order. And never think nothing is more precious than your master. Never ask anything, only ask the divine love of your master. Never ask anything, never desire anything, only desire one, that your divine love of master. Always you love your master's feet. Guru Bhakta Sitam Brahmaha Prapyate Tat Prasadataha Guru Dhyanam Sada Kuryad Guru Kulestri Swapate Yathaha. Guru Bhakta Stitam Brahma. The voice of the master is the representation of the Brahma. And the mercy of the master and the blessing of the master, only the way to get the Brahma, only way to get enlightenment. So always meditate on Guru as a good woman. Always love his husband. In India, it is tradition, not in Western countries. In India, the husband is the god of the wife. This is our very old and precious tradition. So Lord Shiva giving example, you respect your master as Indian woman respect his husband. Swasramam swajati cha swakirti pushtivardanam etat sarva parityaja gururanyatra bhavayetah. Our home is the ashram of our master. You think our race and our caste and creed is the caste and creed of the master. Our admire, our respect, our developmental meanings as the equipment of our development, all are the masters, not ours. We can leave anything for the master. We can sacrifice anything for the master. Our master is only one. Nothing helping, nothing supporting, nothing precious, nothing loving as only master, only master. Anyashitan annananyashitan toma sulabam paramam padah tasmat sarva prayatnena gururaradhanam kuru. Nothing is support, only a master is support. Never hope to anyone, only hope with your master. Never hope to anyone, only you hope to your master. So when you do like this, the ultimate destination, the ultimate thing will you get, and the true knowledge will come only by the devotion and divine love with the master. Shivoham, that is the last stanza of this day. I will start after 22. Shivoham.